Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, tap on power off, and after it completely turns off, you have to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release all keys. The menu will appear. As you can see, it's all in Chinese, I guess. You can only navigate through it by using volume down key, and you can select options using power key. If you want to exit this mode, you just have to select this last option. In English, I guess it's say reboot. The phone will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.